Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you how to use the Bybit trading bot. You do not need to have any trading skill for you to be able to use this section. I am going to walk you through step by step on how you can create your own grid bot and make consistent profit such as this. The Bybit trading bot is very easy to use and there are no extra fees when creating a grid bot. You should know that the content of this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research. To get started, you would first have to register. All you need to create an account is just an email address, and you can use my specific link in the description of this video to get amazing rewards as a new user. All you need to do is to complete specific tasks and you would be eligible for this bonus. Right now, if you want to get started, go over to this section and select Trading Bot. In this video, I am going to show you how to create your own grid bot. For right now, let me briefly explain how this works. Grid trading is simply creating various buy and sell orders at different price levels. These price levels would be between a trading range, and you can construct a trading bot to buy low and sell high within that range. Let me show you exactly what I am talking about. For example, this right here is the upper point of resistance in a price chart. Also, this right here is the lower point of support. When the price of an asset trades between this resistance and support, this is considered a trading range. Until one of the lines gets broken, then the price is no longer between this range. Creating a trading bot means that you can buy at this point of support and sell at the highest point of resistance within this price range. As you can see right here in this diagram, as long as you keep buying at the potential point of support and selling at the potential point of resistance, you are going to be making profit by buying low and selling high. On the Bybit exchange, you can easily create a trading bot to do this automatically without having to input your trades manually. I am going to show you exactly how to do this. To get started, I am going to click on Create Now. In this section, I can easily create a trading bot. Keep in mind that on Bybit, this is a spot trading bot. So you can only make profit when the price of the asset you are trading goes up in value. When you are trying to create a grid bot, make sure you select a coin or token that you are willing to hold over a long period of time. If you go over to this section right here, you can select any coin that you want to trade and create a trading bot. Right now, I can choose to trade Solana. The next step is to input my price range. You can do this manually if you have a good knowledge of technical analysis, or you can easily use this autofill section that has been provided by Bybit. If you click on this gives you a price range from the lowest point of support to the highest point of resistance. These values are based on previous price action in the Solana price chart. So if you don't have a good knowledge of technical analysis, this is a good option for you to use when creating a trading bot. The next section right here is to input the amount of grids that you want in this trading bot. I am going to briefly explain this right now. If you look at this example, a grid line is a specific point where you can put in your buy or sell order. For example, this line right here is considered a grid line. You can also create various grid lines within a price range, as long as you are willing to buy or sell at that specific price level. This right here is just a simple explanation of how grid trading works. Multiple buy or sell orders at each grid level. Now let's go back to the Bybit exchange. In this section, I am going to reduce my number of grids in order to maximize my profit. If you look over here, my profit per grid is from 1.2% all the way to 1.6%. And to increase your percentage profit per grid, you need to reduce the number of grid lines that you are going to use within this trading range. So right now, I can reduce this to 10. Take a look at my profit per grid. You would see that it has increased from 1.2% to 2.5% and a maximum of 3.2%. So this right here is okay by me, and I can go ahead to specify the amount of USDT I am willing to put in this trading bot. Make sure that you have USDT already present in your spot wallet. for you to be able to create your own trading bot. Based on my selected number of grids, you can see right here that the minimum amount of USDT I am going to use is about 119.49. For me to reduce this amount, I would have to reduce my number of grids. I am going to use 8. You can see right here, I would be using 8 grids from this lowest point of support to this highest point of resistance. My minimum specified amount is about 95.41 USDT. I can go ahead and use 100 USDT as that is what I have currently present in my spot wallet. Right now, I can go ahead and create my trading bot. These are my details and I can confirm this strategy. My bot has been created successfully. This right here is my Solana trading bot. It is going to take a bit of time for me to realize some profits because the price needs to move between various price levels. I can leave this to run over a long period of time. Also, you can go over to this section for more details. This would give you a breakdown of your grid trading bot, and this bot is going to be made public for other users to copy this exact strategy. You can also go over to the positions right here. This would show you the allocation of your grid trading strategy. You can see right here that about 70% is allocated to USDT and less than 30% is allocated to Solana. So as the price continues to go down, my buy orders are going to be triggered, and when the price goes up to this level, my sell order is going to be executed. You can see right here, I have 6 buy orders and 2 sell orders. So this is basically how to create your own trading bot on the Bybit exchange. If you want to terminate this bot, you go over to this section and you click on terminate. This would give you an option to hold USDT or USDT and Solana or just Solana. There is also an option to hold the BIT token on the Bybit exchange. So you can select any of these options and terminate this trading bot. Now let's go forward in this video where I show you how to copy other traders' trading strategies. Right here, you can choose to select any of these bots and make consistent profits for yourself. You can see the annual percentage rate of each strategy. There is the daily ranking and the 7-day ranking. To get a general overview of these strategies, you should select the 7-day ranking. This will show you how these strategies have performed over a longer period of time. You can scroll down and select the best available trading bot that you want to copy. I can choose to select this user right here with over 90 followers and an annual percentage rate of 712%. I would click on copy. This right here are the details of this trading bot. The price range at these levels with about 3 grids. If I choose to invest in this bot, my minimum amount would be 31 USDT. I can go ahead and input 50 USDT and copy this strategy. I would confirm this. This is basically how to use the Bybit trading bot. If you enjoy this kind of content, you can please leave a thumbs up and try subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section and I will try answer all your questions. For right now, this is going to be it for this video and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.